Sunday. DeWalt. I haven't made a video today, but I always make one eventually. What am I doing? I am putting an outlet in the locker room because I always have to run a lead extension cord down the hall, and it's making me crazy. So what I did today was made a hole here. Since this is the locker room, made a hole there, hammered a hole through the wall adjacent to the ceiling, got one of my new coils of wire, and ran the wire through the back of the wall, over the top. And there we are. An hour of work and I have an outlet in the locker room. So I'm ready to stuff this back in. I already drilled a couple holes because these boxes were nailed on before the sheetrock was installed, so I have to take a hacksaw blade with the teeth forward. Did you know that? The teeth have to point forward to cut because that's where your strength is when you're pushing forward. And I'll shove this back in the wall now that I have two new holes drilled with my trusty DeWalt. Oh, somebody loves me. Gotta go. If I had two hands, I would hold the receptacle, but seeing as how I don't have a head cam yet. So, this is it. I've got a new receptacle in the locker room next to all my junk. And like I showed you earlier, wire runs up here, over the top. Extra cardboard boxes. Through into the other room. Gotta patch that, huh? A little bit of expanding foam. And I'll hook up my black power wire and crank her up. Oh, it's so nice and bright in here. And I can go back. I guess my sewer generator has cooled off. It was overheated. Yep, cooled off. I can jet some sewers. Keep things clean. When's the last time I cleaned it? August 2nd, 2010. Gotta keep track of these things. Gotta keep track. More tools. Gotta have tools. Vacuum cleaners. All kinds of tools. Want to do a job, you gotta be fully equipped. Alright. Shove this thing back into the wall and crank her up in a minute or two. Well, let's see what happens. Plug in. Boy, I got that one lined up with the wall perfectly, unlike the other one I'll show you in a sec. Bought these vacuums on sale. Got a freaking 4-foot hose. Ridiculous. Anyhow, tomorrow, which is Monday, we are going to the town to get a special use permit to put up the apartments in the warehouse. So, 8 o'clock. Tune in the radio station. Hang on. I made this in school when I was a kid. Yeah. Long time ago. Under drawer. Long time ago. Bought these at a car show. They're compilations of little pieces and stuff made into a wacko picture. Mishmashes. Alright. I'll go back to cleaning up the drains. Now that I have electricity, look at this one. I didn't do too well on that one. Big gap. Ugly. See you in a bit. Well, I've been doing my sewer cleaning, and I've got lots of videos of that, so I won't bore you. But I better go check in the laundry room and make sure that I haven't been spraying black slime all over the walls and the machines. Uh-oh. Yep. Yep. I guess I went through the drain. It's not too visible on the camera because I keep my drains clean, but black slime. I have to get some more paper towels. Luckily nobody was standing here while the water sprayed out black. Luckily. Yuckily. Need a new water entrance. Gotta call the city and see how much it's going to cost me, or do it myself maybe. Maybe I'll run a 1.5 inch water pipe through the existing 2-inch pipe. You remember my water pipe problems, don't you? Come in from the street, break open the concrete, and go up overhead. Thread the new pipe through the old one under the ground. Because it broke once and it broke again, and it's going to break again. So I'll take off this geeky radio. Clean up for a minute. Oh, cheap paper towels. Thin. It's not Bouncy or what's the other one? Ronnie. One thing you do get your money's worth when you buy paper towels. You buy the thicker ones and they're thicker. Oh, jeez. Oh, wrong. Twice today. And both times when I'm trying to make a video. Last time it was Mrs. CW asking what size underwear I took.